honest, how many times have you stood in front of your wardrobe holding your black high-waisted wide leg trousers and thought, well, these are boring? Well, today that changes because I'm going to show you 3 completely different looks for casual, workwear, and evening. All from this exact same pair. And trust me, after this, you'll be reaching for them every single day. So for anyone who hasn't met me before, hi, I'm Nicola. I'm a personal stylist and founder of All About the Outfit. And the reason I wanted to make this video today is because I've been searching for that perfect pair of high-waisted, wide-leg trousers that really fit my curves well. And today I have finally found them. These are genuinely one of my all-time favourite wardrobe investments. So these ones are from the Abercrombie & Fitch Curve Love range. They nip in perfectly on my waist and allow for an additional 2 inches through the hips and thighs to allow for my curves. They work for so many different occasions and they're so easy to style once you know the formula. So let's get to it. So look number 1 is what I call the effortless style, and this is honestly one I would reach for most of my days. The key here is what I like to call the little top, big bottom formula. Because your trousers already have so much volume throughout the leg, we need to balance that out with a cropped or fitted top. So I'm going for a simple cropped grey t-shirt. Nothing fancy, just cropped at my waistline. So I can either wear as is because it still draws the attention back up to my narrowest part, or I can tuck it in slightly, which is perfect because it defines that high waist beautifully without feeling too structured or overdone. Here's where the details really matter: shoes. So with a wide leg trouser, you really want to elongate your leg as much as possible. So I'm going for a clean white trainer with a bit of a platform sole. The reason being you want just a little flash of shoe beneath that hemline. It really pulls the whole look together. And then just a simple little everyday bracelet and everyday earrings. Because honestly, accessories are what elevates a good outfit to a great one. This look took less than 5 minutes to put together and is one of those combinations that will just always work. Simple, effortless, everyday style. Okay, so that was look number 1. Now let me show you how quickly we can completely transform these trousers into our stylish workwear. So look number 2, smart and work ready. So we're still wearing the exact same pair of trousers, the only thing we've changed is the top half. So I've switched out my simple grey t-shirt to my blue and white striped shirt. And I've tucked it in all the way around for a really clean and polished finish. Now I've added the blazer on top because honestly a blazer does so much of the heavy lifting for an outfit. It immediately elevates anything you put with it. And I've kept the cuffs just peeking out beneath the blazer sleeve. It's such a small detail, but it's one of those tricks that makes such a big difference. For shoes, I've gone for a rounded toe block heel, and a rounded toe or a pointed toe in particular are incredible with wide leg trousers because they create that long, lean line that makes the whole silhouette look so elegant. So if you're investing in one pair of shoes to wear with your wide leg, make it a pointed toe. You will not regret it. And if you're finding this helpful, it would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button. It genuinely does help the channel more than you know. And now for the final look, and it must be my favourite of the 3. Look number 3, and this one completely transforms these trousers. So I've stripped away the shirt and the blazer and replaced it with this olive green bralette top. Now I love how the front meets the trouser waistline, but the back is a little more revealing. I've then swapped the block heel for a strappy heeled sandal, and immediately this has got a completely different energy to it. It's polished, it's elegant, and it honestly looks effortless. And for my final touches, I've added in my belt, the little gold buckle detail to really draw the eyeline back to the waist, a statement earring and bracelet, as well as a dainty necklace to complete the look. And for the cooler evenings, I could always add in that blazer from look 2. And there you have it, 3 completely different looks, 1 pair of trousers. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video and can see just how much mileage you can get from one really good pair of high-waisted, wide-legged black trousers. The key takeaways are: balance that wide leg with a cropped or fitted top half. Always think about elongating that leg with your shoe choice. And never underestimate what the right accessories can do for your entire look. So if you'd like to see more styling videos just like this one, please do hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you as part of the community here. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, and why not check out this one here.